samba coming into Manila with the hit and drums, yeah. Shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And shut the door, just Philippines, throw it got. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of PVC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng
Now you know.
Now you know. Now you know. That it's hard in the Philippines. Piliin mo.
Because we have unique cultures, more fun in the Philippines. Because we have 7,107 islands. 7,107 islands, it's more fun in the Philippines.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Tourism is more fun in the Philippines because of the most visited tourist destination here in the Philippines. Tourist destination is more fun in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Take 2. Lights, camera, action!
It's more fun